Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing method to make money online just by using Canva and YouTube without even making videos at all. And now, let's get started. And first step is you can head to YouTube, and here you can look for some videos regarding Canva of its kind, how to do something on Canva, tutorial on Canva, the way to do something on Canva, and so on, such as how to remove the background on Canva, how to resize your post in Canva, how to make a landing page or a website in Canva, and so forth. For example, we can type something here like how to, and that asterisk in Canva, and then you can find a lot of YouTube suggestions like how to edit in Canva using phone, how to draw in Canva, how to save in Canva, how to print in Canva, and the like. So here we can press enter, and you can find a lot of videos talking about Canva and the most recent tools and features and how to deal with Canva in your business and graphic design and so on, as you see. Perfect. Here you can find a lot of tutorials and how-to videos concerning Canva. Now we can move on to the next step in this video tutorial. That is, we can select one of these beautiful videos talking about Canva, like this one, for example, how to turn designs into templates in Canva, for example. And now we can click over this video and copy the link address. And now we can head to this amazing website, that is sharecta.com, sharecta.com. That refers share call to action.com. Here you can turn links you share into sales opportunities. And ShareCta, one of the best websites to make an overlay message over an article or YouTube videos. Here you can make a banner or a message when you can promote your service or product. And here, if someone clicks over this banner, he will be taken directly to your product page. That simple. So now we can paste here your video link that we have taken from previous step. Ctrl V and create your link. As you see here, you can find your YouTube video, and then you can find your banner or your overlay message. And now it's time, and now a good question comes up: how we can make the best of this overlay message remain in our today's method? It's simple. Just we can use this YouTube video that talks about a tutorial and how to turn your designs into templates in Canva, and therefore you can make an overlay message on this YouTube video to promote your Canva itself. Yes, you can promote canva.com. Not only that, give your customer an opportunity to save their money as well. So how to do that? Just we can move to the third step in this video, which is going to topcashback.co.uk, one of the best cashback websites out there where people come to do shopping in their lovely stores and get a decent cash back. So first of all, what does it mean by cashback Raymond? In layman terms, cashback means you would get back a percent of what you pay while you're shopping in your lovely store through your cashback website. And for sure, topcashback.co.uk, one of the best and trusted websites in this cashback category. Here you can find thousands of stores where you can purchase something, subscribe on a membership, and you will get cash back immediately. So here you can look for Canva store or canva.com. So just you can head to the search bar and type Canva simply as here. And here the Top Cashback provides amazing cashback offers regarding Canva Pro subscription. So if you go in depth in this offer, here you can find two amazing offers or cashback offers regarding Canva.com in Top Cashback. Either you can go Canva Pro monthly, therefore you will get 66% of what you pay in your Canva Pro monthly subscription. Or if you go Canva Pro annually, you will get 16.5% back as a cashback offer from Top Cashback. They are amazing cashback offers regarding Canva Pro subscription. And now how we can leverage this Top Cashback offer and promote Canva using our today's method Raymond. Simply here in this awesome website, Top Cashback provides you an amazing way to earn money just by promoting these amazing offers and promoting the entire Top Cashback. So how to do that? So just we can go to this your icon here, and you can find this tool and this feature. This is so-called Tell a Friend or a referral program provided from Top Cashback. Here you can promote this entire website, Top Cashback, and if anyone purchases using your link, you will get 30 sterling pounds free cashback immediately. Yes, 30 sterling pounds. So this link, it directs people to the homepage of Top Cashback all in all. Or if you want to direct people a specific category or a specific merchant or a store like Canva, for example, just you can go down a little bit. You can find this one link to a Top Cashback merchant. So click over that. And then you can type your merchant name or your store name or your website name. So we can type here Canva. Okay, this one. And build your link, your referral link as you see. So here you will get your referral link that directs people directly to your Canva store. If anyone purchase or subscribe in Canva Pro either monthly or annually, you will get back 30 sterling pounds and make money from this amazing website. That's it. So now we can copy this referral link and go back to our shared CTA website to fill in all these details regarding your panel or your overlay message to promote your Canva offer, Canva cashback offer. So here in this one, call to action URL, this one Control V, and here call to action button texts like get your cashback offer, cashback now, get your cashback now, for example. Okay, and your message here you can write a convincing message that drives people to click over this link, and they would be taken directly to Canva store in Top Cashback website. So you can write down this message yourself, or you can get help from any amazing AI tool like Jasper, WriteSonic, like Writer, Copy to AI, and so on. Or you can use this amazing website that is niches.com. Niches.com, one of the best copywriting assistant out there. And here you can look for any templates regarding plugin business, YouTube, social media marketing campaigns, and so forth. So for example, we can look for something like executor, command executor. Okay, a project name like this one, create a project. You gotta fill these details like background information like promote, cashback offer, and command just you can give me as here like this one, give me 3 creative calls to action to promote a 60% cashback offer of a Canva Pro subscription. And now we can click over this one, get content, and just a few seconds later here you can find some creative call to actions to persuade customers to click over this button, like already to take your designs to the next level, and so on and so forth. So we can copy this one, for example, quickly and simply copy and go back to our Sure CTA and insert here your message, Control V as you see. Perfect. And your brand name, you can like Canvaholics, for example, and logo URL. Here you can your brand logo URL that represents your company and your business. So for example, you can get an image, you can make in Canva, Create, or Photoshop, or anything else. Or you can get it ready from one of these beautiful websites like freesvg.org. Here you can find huge amounts of SVG and PNG vectors and images that you can use as a profile picture in your company, in your business, and your Sure CTA overlay message. So for example, we can look for something like cart or shopping, for example. Okay, and you can find a plethora of these cart graphics like this one, for example. We can take this one. Okay. And download small PNG. Perfect. And now we can head over to this amazing website that is postimages.org that hosts your images and provides you with a link. So we can choose your image. That's one. Perfect. Now we can copy the second link, that is direct link, copy and go back to our share CTA to insert the URL of your logo. As you see, click enter. That's it. Your brand name, your logo, and your convincing message, and your clickable call to action. Perfect. And now just you can create your link here. And that's it. Copy this link and share everywhere as you want to promote your cashback offers and to promote your Canva cashback offer using YouTube videos that are talking about Canva tutorials, how-to videos in Canva, and so on. People watch these videos, they will notice the message down below these videos. So for example, we can open this landing page or this offer in a new window like this one. And here you can find your YouTube video, as you see, that talks about how to turn designs into templates in Canva. And you can find this wide banner that talks about a cashback offer of Canva and the clickable button that directs people to your top cashback website. So as I said before, you can promote this link everywhere, like in social media, like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, and so on. So for example, we can go to Pinterest. So here you can insert the title of your YouTube video and the description link here, the link of your share CTA as you see. And then you can upload an attractive pin image or video pin that talks about your video. Simply and quickly, just you can head to canva.com to create your Pinterest pin image. So we can look for something like Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest pin. Using this blank Pinterest pin. Okay, and now it's time to go to YouTube videos. The first step, as here, and copy the link again, copy link address, and go to this amazing website that is youtube-thumbnail-downloader.com. You can download your thumbnail of your videos in HD quality. So Ctrl V, as you see, and download your thumbnail. Perfect. And go back to canva.com to create your own Pinterest image. So you can upload your image, drag and drop. Therefore, you can insert here, watch now this video, and click over this link down below, and so on and so forth, to direct people to click over the link in your pin, to direct them to an amazing page that talks about this Canva tutorial video and this amazing cashback offer of Canva Pro subscription. People save money, and you will get back 30 sterling pounds for every single customer. And by the end of this video, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.